So, any of you who've watched my channel for a really long time will remember that I think it was back in 2016 I tried to grow a full beard, and if you ever watched any of those videos, it was a complete scruffy mess, never got anywhere. I basically just don't have any luck growing facial hair really, other than like my goatee area and moustache. But I've decided in 2018 to give it another go. So yes, that's why I haven't shaved at the minute. You can see that it's still all patchy, like especially on this side. So why would it be any different this time? Well, this time I'm using something called Minoxidil. Minoxidil is basically Rogaine. It's one of the things that you can use for hair loss, but people have actually discovered that it actually works really well for filling in a patchy beard. Basically, it's something to do with it dilating the blood vessels, and so bringing more of the stuff that's needed to the actual hairs so they can actually grow. And so a lot of people who had no facial hair whatsoever have been able to grow really awesome beards as a result of it. People with patchy beards have been able to fill them in. Other people have had not much luck with it whatsoever. But on the whole, it seems to improve everyone's facial hair at least a little bit. So I figured, what the hell, I bought myself 6 months worth, and 12 days ago I started applying it to my face. Now obviously this isn't a beard channel or a hair channel or a facial hair channel or whatever. This is a self-improvement channel, but I figured that since I make videos anyway, I may as well sort of document the journey as I go through it. So this is me on day 12 of my minoxidil journey. I'm obviously not going to be making lots of videos about it because that's not the subject of the channel, but I might put out a video, every month or a couple of months about it. So for those of you who are interested, you can pay attention to that, and if you don't care whatsoever about my beard, then you don't have to watch those videos. But anyway, so I've been applying it for 12 days and it dries out your skin really badly. In fact, I've been waiting these last 12 days for a time that I can record a video because my face has been flaking so badly that there was just no opportunity for it whatsoever. Like, I tried slathering my face with tons of moisturizer and stuff and it was just a mess. I tried recording this video once before and then I looked back and it was just, yeah, my face was still a mess in that. And I wouldn't be surprised if my face is still all dry and flaky in this video, but I know it's a lot better, and so I'm finally recording this. Other than that though, and some itching, it's been pretty easy going, and that seems to be reducing. Like, I was getting really bad flaking, but the last couple of days has not been so bad. Now, it's supposed to take a long time to work. A lot of people say they don't see anything until, 4 to 8 weeks after they started applying it, but I've actually already noticed some new growth. You won't actually be able to see it in this video because it's these kind of thin, translucent vellus hairs, but I do have them growing on both cheeks now, and in a lot of the bad areas where I currently have no hair. So I'm hopeful that that's a good sign that I'm gonna have good results with it. But this is an experiment, if I don't get a full beard out of this, not a big deal. But if I do, that'll be really cool. So let's see what happens. Now the second reason I was making this video is because of the dry skin thing that I mentioned with my face all flaking and stuff. I don't know when that's gonna go away completely. So if I have red cheeks or look a bit puffy and swollen or flaky or whatever, you might just have to deal with that for a while. If it's really bad on a particular day, then I won't record and I'll wait until it's a bit better. But I'm obviously not just gonna stop recording videos entirely, especially because you basically need to keep applying this for at least 6 months if you actually want the beard that you get to stay. So anyway, yeah, the start of my next attempt at growing a beard. Cross your fingers for me and let's see what happens. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and enable notifications. If you want to support the channel, check out my Patreon page, find out what you get for supporting, and if you want to keep watching, pick one of the videos on screen, go watch that, and I will see you soon. Take care.